Yeah, good afternoon. Welcome back. Today, 8th November 2020 afternoon session we are doing. Now, I will share the screen. We will go through, yeah, as a refresher, what has been done in the previous this one. Right? Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Tell me once my screen is visible to all of you.
Yeah, now it is okay.
It's okay. So what we have done yesterday till now we have gone up to once I change the company name, the all other information changes, and wherever there are no information, we will put it as NA because you know very well we had this formula. This is what we combined if and we look up with this formula. All of you knew this because this formula says if the VLOOKUP result is 0, that is what it says. Is if VLOOKUP result is 0, then you write NA. Otherwise, you leave whatever is coming. So that is why you are having here where there is no information, it has come as not available. Where there are informations, it is giving everything. Is that clear up to this point? Now, what we wanted to do, we wanted the details of this particular customer to come here, order history and other things. So we are now we proceeded with this. So what we have done, we have gone back and then we went to this order history. We selected the first heading row also, and before that we will be without forgetting, yesterday I think this step was missed by someone. We have used this formula. All of you remember this formula, please? We have used this formula saying that this is the formula. If column
Yes.
F, if it is shipped via 1, then we call it as Speedy Express. If it is 2, United Package. If it is 3, Federal Shipping. This is what we did. So now this is a formula. What is this? This cell contains a formula. This cell doesn't contain the value called Speedy Express. This cell contains, it contains only a formula. We don't want this formula. So what we will do, we will copy the whole cell, Control C, and we will go to the F and then Control V. Oh, sorry. We
Yes,
made a
special.
mistake. Space special we are supposed to do. Sorry. So we go space special and then we put the value. The moment I put the value, because 1, 2, 3 is not there, so there is no value coming. So we don't need it anymore. So we go and remove this particular column totally. We have done that. Fine. Now what we saw, customer dashboard is already having city, region, postal code, country, and all those details. So it is going to repeat for one customer, it will be remaining same. So we don't need all these shipping address. So this column I don't need because it is available, this is available, this is available, this is available. So I don't need them. So I have removed it. Now we are left with only the unique information for each row. So what we will do, we will take the order ID and then we go to the last row, then we select up to this. We have selected the complete range including the heading, Control C, copy, and then we went to B14 and then we copied it. Is it clear? This is what we did till yesterday. And we also did some more thing, that is also we will now see how we did it. Now all of you will be knowing that this has now got so many records of everybody. Blondel pair and Bonap, bottom dollar, everybody's records are coming. Whereas if I go and select only a particular, let's say around the horn, I want only around the horn's information to come here, whereas it is not possible now. So let us see how we should do. But first of all, we should remember here, 1 second. Here the customer name field is called customer space name, whereas there was a mistake. So it has given a shipper name. What we will do, we will go and change it as customer name. Is that right? That is what we did. Now what is happening? Both are now
Same.
having the same
Similar.
name. Same
Similar,
name.
yes.
Same name. Not similar, exact name. Now
Okay.
what we will do, we will click anywhere in this and then we will select all. Okay. Order ID के साथ ही. So what we will do, we will go here
Downstairs and
and then
right side and
right side.
right side select.
Yeah, right side select. Then we say, now we have selected the complete thing. Now we go to
Table.
and
Table.
we make it as a format as table
Table. Yes.
with this and table ka it has come the details like
Correct.
$14 to $J $844 and it has got a header table. When I click,
Correct.
it has now come. Now we saw that if in the header in the dashboard this arrow mark is not needed because it looks very odd. It doesn't look nice. So what we will do, we will go and remove the arrow mark. So where is that? How do I do removing this filters? Where is
Advanced
that
Filter button.
place? This is
Remove the filter button.
filter button. So this is what I am supposed to remove. So I will remove it. Now I got without this filter button for some time. Let me only this order month. I will make it slow. Then I told you yesterday, order ID is left side. Order ID the heading is on the left side. So for better alignment, aesthetics, we will make it a right align. Order date, required date, shipper date, all these things we will right align. Order amount, we will right align. So it looks good now, at least. Whenever I do anything, please remember all alphanumeric, all the character field, I make it as a left align, all number field, including the heading. That is a very important. Including the heading, I right align so that when anybody looks at it, it looks neat. Now, till this, is there any doubt so far? No. We can proceed.
No, sir.
I'm just refreshing what we have done. Now, we want whatever around on or whatever comes, we want it to come here. No, so what I will do, I will go here, right? Now I will go to data. Now, all of us would have so far used only
Advanced filter.
filter.
Advanced filter.
So we are going to see
Advanced filter.
advanced filter. So what we will do, we will go and click advanced filter. This advanced filter, there is one more small thing I forgot earlier. Let me do that also. If you remember, when we come here, I wanted to show you, we will show. On the okay. On the data, whenever I click here, because we will have to make it as a table. So we have made it as a table. we'll not have a table view. So when I go to home, we have, see, this is one problem with they totally take away the sun. So let me slightly make it this way so that not top portion is always available to us. Otherwise, it is creating a problem. Now I go to table design. You please remember this table has got a name now. Okay. So what we will do, we have now gone to here. Then I went to data. Then I told you advanced filter. This advanced filter tells where is my table. My table is from B14. So B $14 and it is ending at $J $84. And then please remember one more thing. What we wanted to check, we are telling the Excel, take this range and then take these two fields, customer space name and the actual value of the customer. So go through this table, in whichever column the customer name column is appearing, you please take that column and then select the particular name which is appearing. That is the instruction. Is that clear to all of you? What is this instruction which is being given at this point? This is the place where we are given the instruction. Go to the table and then find out what is written in this place, customer name, wherever that header is there in whichever column, this is the column. So it says go to the table, take the customer name reference column and go to this value. Wherever this value is there, you only filter that. That is what is called advanced filter, what we are doing. Now, when we do this advanced filter, now what has happened? Around the horn has now come here. Is that clear how we are using this advanced filter? Any doubt?
No.
No. Fine. Now, advanced filter we have seen now, right? So what I will do, even this, okay, fine. We will do that a little later. Now the issue is when I come to Bone app, now is it changing this data? Has the data changed? I selected
No.
customer Bone app. Data what it is
Right.
showing? It is not changing. It is again giving
Correct.
only around the horn.
Same data.
Yeah, whereas your requirement is to change this data. So how do I change? Now I'll not again go back to the computer or the system and tell, go to the advanced filter and then you filter it again. Now Bone app is got filtered. Right? So the moment you instruct Excel, it will definitely do what you are telling. But then you had only changed here. But the instruction to change here is where? It is in the advanced filter. So when I click this advanced filter, Chop Chui Chinese has come. Now the issue is, how do I tell Excel that every time I change the customer name and here things should change? So what is that command? That is where we left off yesterday. What is that command?
Macro.
Macro. That is what we said that. Okay. So what we will do, I will just stop sharing for a second.